Sinulog, kaunog kusog, pitsinyo, pitsinyo. Mamutag kanitaran.
Manbutag beshies. This video is brought to you today by Food Panda. You can see his.
Yeah, buddy. So, shout out to Food Panda for sponsoring this video.
So we have some amazing offers for you today up until the end of January, so stay tuned.
And by stay tuned, we're gonna announce that right now.
Yeah, listen now, I mean.
Alright, so for the month of January, there are tons of restaurants that are offering 20% off.
Yeah, for delivery, so have a look on the app, make sure you order through Food Panda and get 20% off at heaps of restaurants around Cebu.
And if you use the promo code PRETTYTEETS right here, then you will get yourself one of these super sick bags.
Yes, if you choose pickup. So if you go pick up your food from the venues, then you can get one of these amazing bags while stocks last.
Yeah,
you have to spend 499 pesos or more to get one of these eco bags.
Last but not least, the last promo code you can use is Pink Sinulog, and you can get 50 pesos off of your order.
First 3 orders.
First 3 orders. So make sure and
you do that.
Snag that while it lasts to the end of January, January 31st. Check it out. Ooh.
Okay.
Anyways, today's vlog, we will continue now.
Yeah, let's jump into today's vlog. It's gonna get a bit messy. Ooh.
We are here in Barili.
Yes, Barili
Cebu. And we are gonna go ATVing, aka four-wheeling, aka we're gonna go in the mountains and go off-roading.
Yay!
Zoe's never done it before.
No, I've never.
It's gonna get.
I can't even drive a scooter, so let's, I mean, at least this has 4 wheels. Anyway, let's go. My arm's getting heavy. Bye.
All right, we're on the road. Picked up ourselves a 200cc ATV. Whoop.
Don't vlog and drive.
Don't vlog and drive. You can vlog.
I can vlog.
I'll drive.
So here's our crew.
Super loud, sorry. Your turn. All right. It's Mom Joey's turn.
No.
Oh yeah. She's never drove ever in her life.
How do I?
Turn it on.
Turn it on how?
Flip the switch.
This one?
Yep. Okay. Now push the button.
Which button?
Yep.
So many. Which button?
That one.
This one?
Yep. Whoa.
How do I turn it off?
You don't. Alright, I'm switching over to the GoPro. It's gonna be too shaky. Check it out. You good? Yeah. Nice. Nice. Look at the view. Alright, oh
my gulay!
Power!
Why you give me the hardest part? How's your anxiety level? I'm so sick! I'm skidding!
Oh my god. Oh, that's funny.
No!
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
taking over.
Yeah, my thumb hurts. My anxiety is at an all-time high. But look at this view.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah. Nice flowers. Wow.
Alright.
So we're gonna keep going now. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay guys, we're at a cave. I don't know how, ooh, I just cut off my head, sorry. We're at a cave now. I don't know how much further we have, but we drove for like, how long did we drive for?
3 minutes. 45.
Okay, so we were driving for like 45 minutes and now we're at this really sick cave. We will show you now. So it's like an open cave. So you just like walk in and then, whoop, and it has a view of like Kanlaon and Barili down there, and it's really cool. Carson will take pictures for you. So there's lots of stalagmites and stalactites or whatever. And it's dripping from the ceiling, and there are bats. You see? You look like an egg. Carson! He's far away.
You're looking at the lens?
Ah,
Pretty cool.
my arm hurts.
Got a lot of mud on you.
I got some mud.
Yes. So this is the cave.
Got boy.
Very nice. Very cowboy.
Mm-hmm.
Zoe killed it driving.
So terrifying. I literally almost killed us. I think I did.
We almost got a little bit of mud on us.
No, we almost died. Okay, well that's the cave and we're gonna keep going now.
Ta-da! Sige! We actually didn't continue up the mountain. That was the top of the mountain, Dia.
Yeah, so the cave is it, and then, oh yeah. Ooh, sorry, I forgot. And the cave is the top, and then we go back down to the spring.
Yes, oh, nami diri sa Usagaw. Cold spring. Pwede mo maligo. Tano ng sabon. Cream silk.
Cream silk?
And then, yeah, diri nami makaon. Nai-prepare lechon. Saan siya? Lechon belly? Nice. Budol fight. But we will probably have to separate it. Okay.
Yes, covered boodle fight.
I-separate lang.
Social distance.
Social. Sige, so count that.
Yay. 2021 boodle fights. You kind of just get a plate. Dang it, covered. But yes, so I have food vlog. Some shrimp, some chicken, a carrot, watermelon, and some squid. And puso.
Yeah. What's squid in Bisaya?
Nokos. And there was lechon belly, but I'm not eating pork today. So Carson is eating my share.
Yeah, buddy. Sige, so nahuman mi dito sa ATV. O nahuman mi mukaon. Busog na kayo. O we also had snacks at Cafe Alfonso, no? Alfonso, so shout out sa ila. Salamat sa inyong siomai. Siomai? Siopay? Siopao. Pastila. Siopao. Anyways, Zozo, what the heck just happened?
Oh my gosh, what the heck, it's turned Twilight. Sorry. We left the key for our car in the car. It's locked in there. Maybe, I hope so.
Or maybe we lost it on the trail.
Or it fell out while we were ATVing, so we can't get in the car.
Cannot get in the car.
No, we cannot. But we're gonna send it to a waterfall now anyway, and then go home to Moaboal, pick up our spare key, then drive back to Barili and enter our car.
Yes.
Yay!
So thank you to Lady at LRS, our Airbnb, because she checked and we do have a spare key, thank goodness.
Beautiful, wonderful landlord who we love. Thank you.
Yes. Anyways, we're gonna go to the waterfall. I heard it's sick. Secret. What's the name?
Ibo Falls.
Ibo?
Ibo.
Ibo Falls. Alright, let's go.
So we just made it to Barangay Balao and we are now going to Ibo
Falls?
Ibo Falls.
Falls.
Which has been recently discovered, put on the map, and apparently it's super cool. So the main waterfall in Barili is Mantayupan, but we're excited to see something new.
Yes, it's like 15-minute hike, I think. 15-20 minutes daw.
15 to 20.
Doon naman, so
Let's go. Tara.
Shattered soul, you took control, but now I'm gone. Bye bye, bring the fire. You took something beautiful and made it something cruel. It's all that I get from you. You're so delusional. Now watch me take control. I've been running from myself like I'm somebody else. Kinda left me alone. All the love is gone. Now I'm coming around. Got a stake in the ground. Gonna stick it to you. I'm gonna let you go. Let you go. Let you go. Let you go. I'm gonna stick it to you. Let you go. Let you go. Let you go.
alright, so we just finished up the waterfall. Super sick. Did you like it?
It was very cool. I've never seen a waterfall like in a cave.
Yes. So that was unique. But we are extremely tired right now because yesterday we did canyoneering for like over 12 hours. And today we did some more hiking, but we are actually heading home to get our extra key because I freaking locked it inside or I dropped it somewhere. So shout out to these fine gentlemen. Salamat, bye. Salamat sa inyong paghatod.
Yes. Salamat tayo.
Yeah, so we're grateful for them so we can at least get our car home. But that is the update.
And I got some snacks.
Oh yeah, check this out.
Okay.
Shout out to Barili, hooking it up with the snacks.
I haven't opened it yet.
Puto kayo. Puto kayo.
I'm gonna go in.
You going in?
Yeah.
Grabe yung food trip nimo. What is that?
What? It's a window.
It's a window. Oh yeah. Okay kayo.
Okay kayo. Dami kayo.
Look at that. Ooh.
Hello. Look who it is. It's Nook. It's Nook.
We're back at LRS. We have the spare key.
This is it.
Nasakpan mi sa polis. Oh. So nibalik mi diri sa Barili ATV o Cafe Alfonso o diri gyud napilin ang susi. Stilan kayo. So I locked this inside the car when we were doing the ATVs. So we had to go all the way back to Mualbual. Back here. But at least we got it. So dili na mi ma-stress. Kaya na-stress kayo may ganiha. Pastilan. Pero kapo na kayo. Muli mi sa Mualbual. Kung edit pa ko kini na video para makatanaw mo karong dayon aka ugma. And Pit Senor.
Last reminder, we will put the promo codes in the comments below so you can avail these awesome promos from Foodpanda. So, sinulog kaonog pasog. Pit Senor, Pit Senor.
Sige, so salamat sa pagtanaw.
Og amping mo tanan. Goodbye.
Dang, piyaya ni siya?
Tinapay. You can
Tinapay.
bring this into your place.
Thank you.
Then piñato.
Piñato.
Then
Nice.
the dried
Banana.
banana.
Kini dia eh.
The dried biscuit.
Biscuit.
That's kai kai.
Kai kai.
Kai kai.
Dried mangoes. Oh, pinakalami sa taran.
Yes.
Sa iba. Thank you so much.
Thank
You should. Picture.
Running from myself like I'm somebody else. Kinda left me alone.